So on this video I'm going to try and weld this joint up. It's going to be difficult. What is, some roofers come up here, cut the lead right in the corner, fold it over and shove a load of silicone behind it, hoping that'll be permanent. That's a cowboy job. Pulling this forward, you can see it just runs straight over, so anything goes down there, it's just leaking straight inside. There's been loads of trouble in this roof in the past, because I can see all the old work people's done, circling everywhere. What I'm going to do, try and clean on this where it's going to join, and using my little mini blue torch soldering iron, I'm going to try and weld it up. Hopefully it works. The difficult thing is going to be cleaning the lead, because I can't even get the drill in here properly to get the wire brush in, but I'll give it a go. I'll try and go with this tool first, try and sweep it. Clean most of that side up. Now I'm going to do this using the reverse angle. Clean the back of that. Clean the front. I'll get that done. Come right back. There's a lot of bits I can't get into, so I'm going to use a drill to try and sand it out. This isn't going to be easy. As you can see, that's the hole straight through the back there, where some idiot roofer didn't realise that water will go straight through a hole. You do get them. The whole job's tatty. Not a qualified roofer who's done it. But the worst thing is this lead. Look at that, it's hardly set into the wall. Right, I'm almost done. Neat as that all. Broke out my trusty Makita blower. It's really hard to get in that corner. I tried the scraper, the drill, chisel. So what I'm hoping to do is build a puddle of lead in that corner. So instead of sticking to the dirty bit, I'll just stick to everything around the outside of it. You see it's about almost 5mm wide, the bad bit in the corner. The rest should go alright. From the bottom and up the side. I'll get the blowtorch running, see how it goes. Here you see I've got my solder ready. Going up to a bucket, so I'm just keep pulling it to one. I've got some thin lead cut to try and fill that puddle there. I'm going to go for the lead first, so that works. The only problem is, actually I might go for the solder first because it's got flux in. So I'll put some flux on before I go for the lead. So I'll get the soldering iron started, see how it goes.